Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home, and I suppose you had very good unit test. Okay, so soon you will get the results on your teams. Now, as you remember, we have done the first chapter where we were introduced with what is a computer, right? We got to learn what are the parts of computer, how do each part of computer function, which are the main components of computer, which are the main parts of computer. We also learned about input devices and output devices. Now if you remember, in the main parts of computer we had learned about mouse, yes, and we also learned that a mouse is an input device. So today we are going to start with our next chapter, that is chapter 2, which is introduction to. Now, friends, let us now learn about the working of a mouse, which is one of the most used part of the computer. Now, mouse is the most used part of a computer, which is every time in use, which has a most, more of functionality. Okay. Now, can you see the image of this mouse? Yes, it's an input device, you know that. Okay, now why this shape is given like this? It's because it's a shape of a mouse. You have seen the mouse rat in your house. So similarly, the shape of this device is like to that of the the rat or mice in our home. So that's why the name is given as mouse. So this is a mouse and it is an input device. It is known as mouse because of its mouse-like shape. Okay. The mouse is made up of plastic material. What material it is made up of? It is made up of plastic. The mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. Okay. Can you see here buttons over here? So it can be either 2 buttons or 3 buttons depending on the different companies or what kind of mouse you are taking. Okay. But generally there are only 2 or 3 buttons on a mouse. The mouse should be kept on a clean surface. Okay. The mouse should be kept on a clean surface. That's why if it is on a clean surface, it would function properly. Okay. The arrow on the monitor moves as we move our mouse on the mouse pad. Now we have a proper a place where a mouse is being kept, that that instrument or there is a right way of keeping or using the mouse. आप एक जब भी कंप्यूटर पर बैठते हैं और माउस का यूज़ करते हैं तो there is a right way to use it. Okay, then only it functions properly. Now can you see the 2 images at your screen? Yeah. Now in the first image it shows the wrong way of keeping the mouse. Now in this image you can see that this is the wrong way of keeping the mouse when you are using it. जब भी आप mouse use कर रहे हैं, computer use करते time, तो इस तरीके से नहीं रखेंगे, right? Where in the right hand side image, okay, you can see the right way of keeping the mouse. It should be always straight, okay, and it should have very less movement. बहुत कम movement होना चाहिए और एकदम straight रहना चाहिए जिससे आप उसको अच्छे से use कर पाओगे. Okay. Then the earlier there was a ball present at the base of the mouse, but nowadays a light is found at the base of the mouse. This type of mouse is known as optical mouse. Now initially, when in olden days in early 80s and 90s we had a mouse which had a ball under the below surface. Okay, but nowadays you can see whenever you are lifting the mouse, one red color light is being light on. So that is where it is known as optical mouse. Okay, the one which is there with the light is called as optical mouse, whereas in olden days we had a ball under the surface, okay, the bottom surface. So the old mouse without cover, okay, you can see this ball over here. Okay, this ball is the light. Okay, a mouse is used to select different icons and menus on screen. Now what is the function of mouse? Mouse is used to select, okay, different icons and menus on screen. So a mouse is also known as a pointing device. Whenever you want to point something, can you see this cursor moving on the screen? It's as simple, it's as same as functioning on the functioning with a mouse on the computer. Now whenever I have to point something, can you see I'm pointing out this old mouse and new mouse? Okay, so similarly when you are functioning with mouse on the computer, ठीक है, जब भी आप माउस को यूज़ करके कंप्यूटर पे यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं तो इट इज़ नोन एज अ पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस. You can draw pictures and play games. Now this is the right way of, that's why it's called as pointing device. Can you see the finger which you are using? ठीक है, आप अपनी finger use करते हैं first वाले पे. Can you see that blue color pad over there? That is the mouse pad. जब भी हमने starting में पढ़ा था कि हम जो माउस पैड है उसके ऊपर माउस को रखते हैं और तभी एक स्मूथ सरफेस पे वो अच्छे से फंक्शन कर सकता है, राइट? सो दिस पैड इज नोन एज माउस पैड. नाउ इन द सेकेंड image you can see there is this cursor and you are using your finger, okay? So that is why you are using your index finger, yeah, the index finger, and you are pointing out, okay, on the computer screen. That is why it's also known as pointing device. Now what all activities or what all functions First activity is click. Pressing and releasing the left button of a mouse is known as click. Whenever you are pressing it or and leaving it, pressing and releasing means you are removing your hand, okay? Once you press and release the left button of a mouse, it is known as click. By clicking we can select any icon or menu. So whenever we have to select something on the screen, any function we want to operate, we need to select it, right? With what we do select? We use the click. And how do we click? We click by using mouse, okay? The mouse arrow should be at the proper place before you click. Now whichever option, जो भी option आपको select करना है, ठीक है, उसके ऊपर आपको properly अपना mouse का arrow place करना है, then only it will select. While selecting any icon or menu item, the mouse should not move and the mouse pointer must be positioned properly at the desired location. Now जब भी आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे, कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे कोई प्रॉपर फंक्शन सेलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, so make sure that your pointer is properly placed on that icon or that function, okay? And then only this click will function, okay? Then only this mouse will have the proper click. Now what is the second option, second activity we can do with mouse is double click, okay? First we learned about click, where we, when we press and release, it is known as click. Mouse arrow and then we click, okay? And while selecting icon or any menu, we should see that, or we should keep that in mind, that the pointer is properly placed, okay, so that we can function it properly. Now the next activity which we can do with mouse, जो दूसरी activity हम mouse से कर सकते हैं, that is double click, okay? Now pressing the left mouse button twice very fast, okay? Left hand side, you're using your left left side button, okay, on the mouse very fast, and you have to click it twice, is known as double click, okay? Double click is used to open any program which is displayed at a shortcut icon, okay? Now this double click is used for a shortcut icon. On the Windows 7, sorry, on the Windows 7 desktop, whenever you want to open any icon from the desktop, जो main screen होती है, right? अगर उसमें से आपको कुछ ओपन करना है, उसका कोई फंक्शन ऑपरेट करना है, तो उस आइकन पे आप अपना कर्सर प्लेस करेंगे, उसके बाद में उसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से डबल क्लिक करें. ओके, रिमेंबर दैट योर माउस शुड नॉट move while double clicking. Your mouse should not move. Okay, whenever you are double clicking it, your mouse should not move. Okay, you should see that your mouse is not so I'll show you a picture. So this is the single click, this is the single click which we do, and the next image shows the double click. Okay students, so in the introduction to mouse, we learned what is a mouse. Okay, it is an input device as we had studied in chapter 1. Okay, it is also, why is it called a mouse? Because it is like a shape of the mouse. Okay, that's why it's called the mouse. And also it's the most operated one. Okay, the most used part of a computer. Okay, then we learnt about the optical and we learnt about the optical mouse, which is now having the function of light. Okay, जिसकी surface के नीचे light होती है, that is called as optical mouse. Okay, पुराने ज़माने में जब mouse मिलता था तो उसके नीचे एक surface पे एक ball होता था, right? Now we have the optical mouse which is operated with, which is having the function of the light, right? Then we can see the mouse is having minimum or minimum 2 to 3 buttons. Okay, on a mouse you can always find 2 to 3 buttons. Okay, then we saw the functions which we can do with mouse is click and double click, right? So in this part 1, okay, we are going to learn, we had learned about the introduction of mouse, what is a mouse. Okay, and in that we learned the various functions of mouse. Okay, there is some more about to learn about mouse that we will learn in part 2, and with part 2 we will also complete our question answers to be written in the textbook. Okay, I hope you are clear with this chapter up till now. Okay, next week you will get the part 2. Thank you.